Hello everyone, my name is Tina. In today's video, I show you how to make a super easy DIY CNY toilet paper roll lantern using supplies you already have at home. This is a fun and easy craft to make with kids. Supplies needed are crepe paper, glue stick, scissors, toilet paper roll, and red heart paper. This is a paper we used from a chocolate box cover. First, fold and layer your red crepe papers. Cut along your red crepe papers about 2/3 of the length to make it into streamers like so. Second, apply glue on your toilet paper roll or TP roll and stick your streamers working from the bottom to the top. Third, using the red heart patterned paper, make the handle of your lantern. Finally, with yellow tape, tape it to the inner side of your lantern you just made. Voila! Here is your super quick and easy DIY CNY toilet paper roll lantern. Fun and easy crafts to do with little kids. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please kindly give this video a like, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Be sure to watch my video on how to make easy CNY DIY decoration under $5. You will be glad that you did. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until then, I will see you in my next one. Bye bye and take care.